first arrived here, I was very skeptical and kind of scared, to be honest, because it was a new life really began for me. But the teachers were very helpful and made me feel really comfortable and introduced me to the new students. So I was really glad that they were very helpful and very kind, really.
ISA Augsburg helps foreign students who come to ISA with an intensive English program. They are taken out of the regular English lesson and they go to EAL, which is English as an alternative language. And in this group they have tiny groups who speak with a teacher or who learn with a teacher so that their English learning is very, very intensified. When foreign students come to ISA, they don't only learn English and German, but they are supported in their own mother tongue. It's called the Mother Tongue Program. So that means that a student that would come from, for example, Japan to ISA also gets lessons in their own mother tongue. And this is important because very, very often, a lot of the students who come to ISA are here for a limited time. When a student switches to ISA from another IB certified school, it's very easy for them to glide right into into school life. They're familiar with the curriculum and they're familiar with the way things are taught, and that's very important. For lower school, the unit of inquiry is an important element of the way things are taught, and it may not be the same unit. Schools can vary in which unit exactly they're teaching at a given time. But a student will be very comfortable with the way these units are taught. One of the main things that ISA Augsburg does to welcome families as well as children here is the ISA Coffee Morning. This is a place where foreign families can come and just have a cup of coffee and exchange experiences, ask a few questions, and there are people here who have been through the exact same thing before, and they know what you're feeling. The overall experience of families, foreign families coming here and being welcomed by ISA is the feeling of being welcomed home. It's like being welcomed back to a family that you maybe didn't know you had, but you feel at home very quickly and you feel like people have been waiting for you.